everybody, and welcome to day 2 of my 1 week of palette challenge with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So let's get started and I do my second look for this challenge. So with a Zoeva 227 fluffy brush and with the color Peaches and Cream, I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. Alright, next I'm going to use a Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush, which is a bigger kind of pencil brush. And I'm going to use the color Summer Yum, brown reddish color, this terracotta color down here. And I'm going to run that one through my crease with this pencil brush. Like this, and I'm going to take a little fluffy brush I used before again and just blend it very nicely. When you have the feeling that the color is a little bit too faded, you can just add a little bit with the fluffy brush again and just blend it into it. And I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush. This one is the 234 Luxe Smoky Shader by Zoeva. And I'm going to go into the color Bless Her Heart, which is the amazing and exciting looking bright green up here. Okay, so I'm going into the color, quite a lot of it on my brush. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner here. You can see how pigmented the color is. It has a slight like goldenish sparkle. I'm putting it in the outer corner and to the wards of the middle of the eye. Putting quite a lot on because I want it to be a very nice and vibrant, visible green accent. Now I'm going back into the blending brush I just used before and blending that a little bit into the crease. I'm also adding a little bit more of the color Summer Yum, just a tiny bit, to blend it a little bit more together in the crease and maybe the farthest outer corner. You can see these colors blend so nicely together. Next I'm going to use the 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush. If you have a clean flat eyeshadow brush, I can recommend that you use the clean one. I'm going to go into the color Just Peachy, this very nice pink with a golden shimmer to it. And I'm going to put loads of this on my brush. And I'm going to put that one in the inner corners. And I'm blending that into the green color. Now if you have the feeling that the green vanished a little bit too much because of the pink, I just add a little bit more of it and blend it together again. Okay, and once everything is nicely blended, I'm going to go to the next step, and I'm going to use the MAC 212 brush, which is a very nice flat kind of eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use the green color, which is called Bless Her Heart, which we used in the outer corners of our eyes, and I'm going to put that with that brush underneath my little lashes. Also connecting that with the upper lid out here, and you can see the very nice golden sparkle to it. I'm going to use the flat eyeshadow brush I used, the 234, and I'm just blending that a little bit to make it a bit softer, to take the color away, which is too much. And I'm just going to take quickly the eye crease brush by Laura Mercier and the lightest color in the palette, which is White Peach, which is just in the corner up. Right here, White Peach. I'm going to take a tiny little bit of it, just the tiniest bit, and put it in my inner corner. And now we're already done with the eyeshadows. Now we're going to, of course, I want to draw a very nice little eyeliner, not too much. And I'm going to use the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Selfie Flick Eyeliner. And now the only thing missing is, of course, mascara, and of course I'm going to stay with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And that's it. That is the eye look done for today. I really love it. Even though it's a little bit more out there and you maybe have to be a little bit braver to wear it just because of the colors. But I think it's not too much because the colors are actually very subtle and not too out there. But it's maybe a little bit of a look you have to be a little bit braver for. But it's also an amazing look if you think, oh, I would love to get into color a little bit more and wear a little bit more colorful looks. And I think this one is really nice to start with because of the subtle color. Okay, so now to finish off the look, of course I want to wear a little bit of lipstick, and I have actually one which fits perfectly, and it's a new one, and this was in my Valentine's beauty haul, I think. So this is by the brand Bourjois. This is one of their Rouge Velvet lipsticks, and this is in the color 05. Don't know if you can you read it? I think so. So this is the lipstick, the Rouge Velvet, the lipstick in the color 05, brick something. This is how they look, and this is the one I'm going to wear with my eyeshadow look today. These are so soft and creamy, it's actually a little bit hard to apply them. But I think it's the perfect match to the eyeshadow look. And that's it. I hope very much that you liked my look today. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's look. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Besides the very crappy applied eyeliner, I'm very sorry about that. I'm just not that professional, but I think it's okay. Eyeliner always looks better once you apply mascara. Of course you can apply very nice huge lashes. I actually planned on doing so, but unfortunately I did not have any lash glue with me, so I brought my Shine XO Beauty lashes, but I did not bring any glue for them, so that won't work at all. You can also add, which I also did before, just you can add the darker green, which is called Tempting, which is right beside the green I used. A little bit more in the outer corners and in the crease, and then it will be darker and smokier, and then you have a night out look. Also, I'm sorry with the camera, I don't know why, but it's hardly focusing today. Yes, nevertheless, I hope very much that you liked my video today. Thank you so much for watching it. I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's look. I hope that one turns out a little bit better. And yes, I hope you have a wonderful time. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.